All right, friends, in this video, we're not talking about a new niche. Instead, we're diving into AI avatars, something a lot of you have been asking for. Honestly, I've been wanting to make this tutorial for a while, but I've just been super busy lately. Sorry for the wait, guys. All right, let's not waste any more time. Check out this AI avatar demo I made.
Welcome to Monetize with AI. Subscribe for good luck. Ready to transform your YouTube journey? Here, we uncover the game-changing secrets of using AI tools to create trending videos, master YouTube operations, and unlock your earning potential. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your channel, we've got you covered with actionable tips, powerful strategies, and step-by-step tutorials. Learn how to stay ahead of the curve, simplify your workflow with cutting-edge AI tools, and turn your creative passion into profit. Let's create, grow, and monetize together.
So, what do you think? Pretty cool, right? If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. I post 2 videos every week, always packed with useful stuff. Now, let me show you how to create your very own AI avatar, step by step. Step 1. Create your character image. We'll start with ChatGPT. Type this prompt. You are a YouTube creator, now you need to create an AI avatar. Main requirements: protagonist. Blonde-haired male, about 25 years old, handsome, European and American appearance, sitting at a desk, front shot. Background: cyberpunk style. Now give me detailed prompts so I can use them in Leonardo AI to create images. Don't create the image, just give me the prompts. This is just a demo. You can tweak the character to your liking, make it however you want. Once that's done, hit send. ChatGPT will quickly generate prompts for Leonardo AI. Awesome. Step 2. Generate the character image. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Go to Leonardo AI. Click Launch App, then Image Creation. On the left, choose Phoenix 1.0 as the model. Pick 16.9 for long videos or 916 for shorts. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds and boom, 4 images ready. Looking good, right? Pick your favorite, I chose the last one, and download it. But it's only in 1080p, so let's upscale it, optional. Go to an image upscaler site, upload your image, upscale it, and download it again. Step 3. Create the AI avatar now for the main part using Heygen. Head to Heygen. If it's your first time, register with your email. It's free. Once logged in, click Create Video on the left. Choose Avatar Video. Select Landscape Mode for this demo. Click Create Landscape Video inside the editor. Go to Avatars. Click Create Avatar. Choose Custom Photo Avatar. Upload the image we just made. Hit Continue. Fill in the info however you like. Then continue again. Next, choose a voice. Pick one you like, or refresh to find more options. Go back to Create Video, click Avatar, and select your image. On the left, enter your script. For this demo, I pasted the description of my channel. Once ready, click Generate in the top right. Choose your file name, resolution, FPS, etc. Free users can export in 7920p only. Want higher quality? Consider subscribing. I'll leave the link in the description. Click Submit. Now just wait, usually 5-10 minutes. Step 4. Download and polish. Once it's ready, play your avatar video. Happy with it? Download it to your computer. Note: free users only get 720p with a watermark. You can either subscribe for better quality or upscale the video online. Just search Video Upscaler on Google. Now that you have your own avatar, you can change backgrounds and remove the watermark. Let's use Canva as an example. Go to Canva and click Create a Design, type YouTube video. Upload your avatar after done. Drag it onto the canvas. Click BG Remover to erase the background and watermark. Want a better look? Add a filter too. Now you can add any background you like. I used a Neo background here, but Canva has tons of options. Pick one, right-click the layer, and send it to the back. Resize as needed. To show you how it works, I added a few different backgrounds. Try it out and get familiar with the process. Once you're happy with the final result, click Share and download your finished avatar video. And there you go. Your custom AI avatar is done. Did you get it all? If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer if I know it. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Good luck.
Welcome to Monetize with AI. Subscribe for good luck. Ready to transform your YouTube journey? Here, we uncover the game-changing secrets of using AI tools to create trending videos, master YouTube operations, and unlock your earning potential. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your channel, we've got you covered with actionable tips, powerful strategies, and step-by-step tutorials. Learn how to stay ahead of the curve, simplify your workflow with cutting-edge AI tools, and turn your creative passion into profit. Let's create, grow, and monetize together.